Okay guys, so there's something that's been bothering me for a while, all right? So I'm 30 weeks pregnant. Actually, I'm 31 weeks pregnant this week. And there are a couple things that I've been scared to talk to you guys about having to do with pregnancy. And I'm like, why? Why am I holding this back? If this is information that could be helpful to people, I need to share it. And basically, I realized that all this time I've been holding back because I don't want to be wrong. I don't want anybody to come back and say, hey, that thing you gave me, it's disgusting, and it doesn't work, and it's stupid, because I really want to be helpful to you guys. So today I'm actually going to be sharing 3 things that I do for nausea that are a little weird, but they work. I hope that this is helpful to you guys. You know I like being helpful. I want to give you practical tips for everything, whether you're pregnant right now or not. These are just things that help me. It's gonna be a little bit of a weird video. So just, you know, get your body ready. I'll actually show you guys my 3 magical jars that cure everything for me. So one of the first things is, as you guys know, I'm from Trinidad, and I've been talking about this particular mauby recipe for a while. And the mauby bark, so mauby bark is very simple. You just put it to boil with a bunch of spices. You leave it to sit overnight, and you make it super strong. And I've mentioned it to you guys a couple times. Something I never mentioned is my husband doesn't like mauby. He's never really had mauby as a child, and he has not liked it as an adult. He thinks it tastes disgusting, and I only like sharing things with you guys that I know all 7 of us, like myself, my husband, our 5 kids, all love. So I'm like, I can't share that with them. Like, I kind of forgot that my husband doesn't like mauby, and the way that I make it to help for my nausea, I think it tastes disgusting. I think it's not to me. It tastes amazing to me, but I think somebody else would think it tastes disgusting, but that it works. That ish works. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the mauby recipe down below. It might taste disgusting to you. It took me a while, but I'm okay with that. And I hope you don't contact me and email me and leave me mean comments and be like, it's the most disgusting thing ever. But it works. If you have an international market close to you, run there right now. Run there and ask them if they have mauby bark, because it is going to change your pregnancy life. It's going to change your life in general, because even if you aren't pregnant, it's really good for settling the stomach. But again, the best way to have it is the more bitter, the mo better. And yeah, I don't know. I think you might hate it, but don't hate me. Don't hate me, because that means no snacks after this. And today is like Capri Sun and Dunkaroos day, so you want those snacks. You want snacks. All right, still have not found my light. That is fine. We are moving forward. Next, I have this recipe. The recipe is for ginger, these little ginger oatmeal bites that I make. I think those taste disgusting as well. I'm not sure. My husband won't eat them if I offer them to him, but sometimes I'll have them there and I see him going into them. I'm like, what are you doing? And he's like, they're low-key addictive and they just make me feel really good. What? So I usually make a batch of them. Again, super strong on the ginger, super heavy on the ginger. I don't know, it might be nasty, but it works. It's the only thing. And let me tell you something. I've gone on Amazon and I've clicked like best-selling nausea, whatever, because I get really bad nausea in my first trimester, but nothing has compared to these little ginger. I can't even tell you. They're made with things that just don't sound good together. But if you guys want that recipe, for sure, I'm gonna put it in the description box below, but it might be nasty. But try it, because it works. Last thing coming up, and it's a little hokey. I'm letting you know right now. Just if you're not into hokey weird stuff, okay, no, just listen, okay? Don't ask me about what's going on with my hair, okay? Lots of things. The last thing has to do with affirmations. There's a heater right there. I hope you guys can hear me. But why do affirmations matter? What are affirmations? And this is for nausea. This is when I feel an upset stomach. The affirmations basically help you to calm your mind and calm your spirit. Okay, first of all, let me say something. You guys know I was born and raised in Trinidad, and the Caribbean has a very special relationship with the spirit world. I grew up understanding that you have to like respect that space. The one thing that I do that feels comfortable to me and is in a realm that I think is a safe space is Affirmations. I will show you guys the book that I use. It's called You Can Heal Your Life. That book has changed my life. It's been really helpful to me. Your head and your gut are completely related. So, you know, sometimes if you're nervous, your stomach will hurt. If you're anxious, your stomach will hurt. If your mind isn't right, if you have something that's like really distracting you, sometimes you can't eat. Or if your feelings are hurt, you want to overeat. So that mind gut connection is always there. So nausea is directly related to what you put into your mind. And I always say that when I lost my weight back a couple of years ago, when I went from 260 pounds down to 199 pounds, the difference was that I made what I put inside my mind as important as what I put inside my body. And the affirmations from this book really helped. I have my affirmations already written down, having to do with nausea and pain and just the things that tend to really bother me in the mornings and stuff. Nausea for me comes back usually around right now, around like 31 weeks or so. And so I have my 7 affirmations in there, and then I also have the empty slips of paper in there. In the mornings, if I'm feeling nauseous or anything like that, as hokey as it may sound, I pull out one of those affirmations and I repeat it. I repeat them to myself. And if what I pull out is an empty piece of paper, I close my eyes and I listen for a message. And when I hear that message, I write it on the piece of paper, I add it to my jar, and then I get another blank piece of paper folded up and put it in there for the next time. It's hokey, it's weird, but I am telling you, it 100% works. And that mind gut connection is so important. I'm telling you, these 3 things help me more than anything else when it comes to nausea. I hope that they help you guys too. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please leave a nice comment down below. Let me know what weird things you do or have done to help with your nausea that you've been like, I don't know if I should share this with anyone because I don't know if this is going to work for them. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.